Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you what this failed circuit alarm could do. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is giving you a test of what happens when it's turned off like this. The light will turn off for a second like this. Let me disconnect it. And you see right there, the light turns on, but when I mess with the light like this, because I need to press the on switch right here. As you see right here in this adapter right here, this adapter is the one that's on. Right here, I'm gonna turn the whole machine off and it should beep. It should beep because the light on top that I have is not working. When it's not working, this should happen. The failed circuit alarm should not be going off when the adapter or electronic device that is plugged into it is working. So now, I'm going to give you a preview of what happens if the power goes off. I'm going to disconnect the whole adapter. This whole adapter, I'm going to disconnect to it. And then the alarm should go on. Now, to turn it off, when the alarm is on, you want to click this button, the off button, because look, I turned it off and the alarm will not beep even though the light is turned off. Make sure the on button is on. Right here, you could test the alarm. Right here, there's a test button right here. Now what I'm going to be showing you is the failed circuit diagram it has right here. This is only rated for 9 volt DC alarm. It says 110 volt AC circuit. Maximum is 15 amps. Plug rating. Unplug unit before changing battery. Test alarm monthly per installation per instruction sheet. Here on off. Here is the button to test it. Here is the alarm. And on the back, it has some mounting screws where you can mount it. So that is it for this video, guys, on how to use a failed circuit alarm.